All right, welcome to another amazing feature release. We have version 1.79. And again, for those of you who don't know, Sutro is a robotic startup. We basically make a floating laboratory for your swimming pool or spa. We measure pH, free chlorine, bromine, and alkalinity 3 times a day. And that's all sent to your smartphone that tells you exactly what your chemistry is, and more importantly, tells you what to do and when to do it. We have over 2,500 chemicals that you can scan in via your barcodes from the app, and we'll tell you exactly which one of those chemicals to put in with a nice, cute little picture on the top. So, all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into what we have on this feature release. So, what's new? In 1.79, we introduced a more robust customer experience, mostly around an enhanced help screen, which access to our full help center. We've seen in the rising sales this year that people have had issues in setting up their Wi-Fi and connecting the hub with the monitor, and we need to really make this more robust. We have the ability to view and manage customer support tickets right from the app. So you don't have any sort of confusing behavior with emailing us or getting text messages or chatting with us through Facebook. You can do everything through the app now. And you can actually chat with our virtual assistant directly in the app as well. This virtual assistant can handle almost 60 to 70% of issues, like where is your cartridge? We can help you basically figure out how to do a service mode. Everything is inside there that you'd be able to do. And if not, at the bottom, it'll tell you to actually submit a ticket so you can get directly to our customer service. It's just allowing us to build a quicker way in helping you out when you're ready to actually be helped. So how does the help screen look? On here, you can basically type in a particular FAQ, for example, connecting hub, and then you can go ahead and click on that FAQ, and it's right there in the app that'll tell you exactly how to connect your hub to monitor. We have hundreds of help articles inside the app, and you can search on this search field to find out exactly what you need and when you need it. It showcases our most frequently asked questions, and there's an ability to search our entire help center and view help articles directly in the app. The other thing is you can actually see customer support tickets. There is streamlined communication with our support team by submitting customer support tickets in the app itself. So if you have any sort of issues with the device, if you have any missing readings, if there's a problem with the hub, you can submit it right here in the app itself. You can also view and manage your ticket history so that you can see if things are still open, if they're closed. There's no more confusing behavior in dealing with your inbox and actually communicating with the Sutro support team. And the last piece is the Sutro chat. We're introducing our virtual assistant that allows us to use ChatGPT to actually tell you what the issues with your water is. We're going to be making this more robust. And more importantly, we want this to be able to give you quick solutions that's available 24/7, so that if our customer support team is not active, is not around, you will be able to actually chat with this virtual assistant. If you have any problems with it, do submit in a ticket to let us know that we should add something or it's not working out properly. We're in continuous iteration, and we want to make sure that your experience is as best as it can be. As always, you can download this on the App Store or Google Play. You should, if you have automatic updates available, it should automatically update on the actual app itself. If not, you can go to both iOS and or Google Play and search for Sutro Pool, and it should pop up. With that, I want to say thank you. And if you don't have a Sutro, go to mysutro.com. Again, we are a floating robot for your swimming pool that measures chemistry 3 times a day and tells you exactly what to add into your water and when, keeping you, your friends, and your family safe this swimming season. Thanks again for tuning in. And until our next update, my name is Ravi Karani. I'm the CEO and founder of Sutro. I hope all of you have a blessed day, and we'll chat soon. Thanks.